Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can enable or disable the chatted on a messenger application. So you use the Facebook Messenger to message your friends and family connected through your Facebook account. So you want to enable or disable the chatted feature available on a Facebook Messenger application, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to enable or disable the chatted on a Facebook Messenger application. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. Follow the simple steps and you'll do it in no time. So, the first thing you want to do in order to enable or disable the chatted on your Messenger application is open a Messenger application. Once you open a Messenger application, log into the account that you want to enable or disable the chatted feature from. Once you log into that account, you'll land on an interface like this. From here, in order to enable or disable the chatted, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, you'll land on an interface like this. Here, when you scroll down, you'll see an option labeled as chatted. Besides that chatted option, you'll see a toggle. So to enable the chatted, just enable this toggle, or to disable, just disable this toggle. Once you disable this toggle, you'll successfully disable the chatted feature on your Messenger application. Once you enable this toggle, you'll successfully enable the chatted feature on your Messenger application. That is the simple steps in order to enable or disable the chatted on your Messenger application. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.